That's so skinny.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father help.
You've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Manny's. Hey, leave her alone. Oh, Missy! Oh my God, are you
Babe, she's been drinking all day. Here, look, it's the donut truck. We gotta go get it.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.